Alexander was born in 356 BC in the ancient Kingdom of Macedonia to King Philip II and Queen Olympia. From childhood, he showed signs of greatness. He was bold, curious, and fearless. When he was just 12 years old, he tamed a wild and powerful horse named Bucephalus, a horse that no grown man could control. His father watched in awe and told him that Macedonia was too small for someone like him. Those words shaped the boy's ambition. When Alexander was 20, his father was assassinated and he suddenly became king. Many believed he was too young to lead, but he quickly proved them wrong. He destroyed rebellions, took command of the Greek states, and united them under his leadership. Once that was done, he set his eyes on Persia, the greatest empire in the world at that time. Alexander believed that a life without great achievements was no life at all. In 334 BC, at only 22 years old, Alexander crossed into Asia with 40,000 soldiers. His first major battle was at the Granicus River, where he personally led the charge against the Persian forces. He fought fearlessly at the front, inspiring his men and startling his enemies. City after city fell to him. His most shocking victory came at the Battle of Issus. King Darius, through of Persia, brought a massive army that dwarfed Alexander's forces. Everyone expected Alexander to retreat, but instead he attacked with bold strategy and incredible speed. The battle ended with King Darius fleeing the battlefield and abandoning his own family, who fell into Alexander's hands. Alexander treated them with honor, something unheard of in ancient warfare. Alexander pushed deeper into Persian territory, conquering city after city. Eventually, he entered the Persian capital of Persepolis, the heart of the empire's power and wealth. Part of the great city was burned, symbolizing the downfall of Persia and the rise of Alexander. He became known as the King of Asia. He wasn't satisfied. He kept marching eastward, reaching the far lands of India. There, he faced war elephants in the Battle of Hydaspes. Many believed the elephants and the Indian forces would defeat him. But Alexander won again. After years of endless battles, his soldiers grew tired. They begged him to stop, telling him there was no more world left to conquer. Alexander reluctantly agreed to turn back. In 323 BC, at just 32 years old, Alexander fell ill in Babylon. The cause of his death remains a mystery. Some say malaria, others poison, others exhaustion. When his generals asked who should rule his empire, he reportedly said, "To the strongest." These were his final words before he died. Alexander never lost a single battle. He spread Greek culture across continents, founded cities that still exist today, and influenced the world long after his death. He lived fast, he conquered the impossible, and he died young, but his name became immortal. He is remembered as Alexander the Great, the boy who conquered the world. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Please don't forget to subscribe for more untold history stories.